Hey Sharks, I'm Kent.
And I'm Ryan.
And we're the founders of Neuro from Los Angeles, California.
Today, we're seeking $750,000 in exchange for 5% of the company.
Woo. Okay.
When I met Kent in college, he was studying neuroscience and training with the Japanese Olympic judo team.
And Ryan was studying chemistry and was captain of the cross country and track team.
He's a second-degree black belt in karate.
And he's finished 12 marathons.
He's also an artist that's done over 40 murals around the world.
And he trains with the U.S. Paralympic team.
I guess if there's one word to describe us, it would be more.
Look, we like to push each other, but sometimes you just need that little extra boost.
Coffee's great, but it doesn't fit in your pocket, and you don't want to be running around with it.
Oh, and don't get me started on energy drinks. We wanted clean, balanced energy, something that can be taken anytime, anywhere.
So that's why we created Neuro Gum and Neuro Mints, for when you need just a little more.
Using a patented cold compressed method,
we used a blend of natural caffeine
plus L-theanine
and B6 and B12 vitamins in each piece. Each piece contains as much caffeine as half a cup of coffee.
And since you absorb it through your mouth, it works way faster than drinks or supplements.
But what about the sugar?
Oh, no.
GMOs?
Nope.
All right, but is it vegan?
Yeah, of course it is.
Wow, it really is better than a cup of coffee.
And 1/10 the price.
So Sharks, wake up. Don't get yourself stuck in a sticky situation.
They specifically said it was like a patent pending, and I'm curious with that cold press method,
Right.
or something. And so it's curious if it's like something that they can truly own the market share on, or something that could actually have a workaround fairly easily. And, there'll be 10 of these companies out there.
I was very suspicious and suspect of their patent claim, as you might imagine. So I pulled it up. I took a look. I was expecting, maybe they got a design patent on the packaging, or maybe they got some very, a nebulous claim. So it is actually, I was impressed. They do have a composition of matter claim, which means they own this substance. And I wanted to talk this, especially because I get this question a lot about, can I patent a recipe? Can I patent a piece of edible food? This is an example. Okay, so for the mints especially, don't eat the gum, but it's an ingestible thing.